Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this beautiful 2025 Chevrolet Blazer RS package, 6-cylinder, beautiful condition inside and out, really outstanding shape. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. Going ahead and giving it a quick walk around now. Then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Looks amazing. All right, let's take a look at the front bumper here. Front bumper's in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Looks amazing. Beautiful shape. Headlamp looks amazing. Lower lights in beautiful shape. Grill's in good condition. Bow tie emblems on this one. Very nice. RS package. Lower light, beautiful condition. Upper lights in beautiful condition. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Looks amazing all the way through. Very nice condition. Take a look at the front fender. Front fender on the driver's side, amazing condition. Looks beautiful, clean throughout. Front door on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Looks amazing. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Very nice shape. Does have a small dent, I just noticed right here. It's got a small little dent here on the rear door. Quarter panel here on the driver's side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Rear hatch in the back looks amazing. Beautiful condition all the way through. Lights are in good shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Super nice. Glass is in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. This one has RS package, which has the shiny black moldings on it. This one has rear parking sensors. Very nice. Quarter panel here on the passenger side. Amazing condition. Beautiful condition throughout, very nice. Rear, passenger side door, beautiful condition. Front passenger side door, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, very nice. Front fender here on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the glass. The glass looks amazing, super nice shape. Quick look at the roof. The black roof is an option on this one. Looks super nice. Really nice condition. Glass on this side looks good. Super nice condition. Does have a dent right here, I just noticed right there. And it's got a scratch back here on that piece there. Besides that, looks good. Really nice condition overall. Looks beautiful. Amazing shape. We'll take a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition. Looks really nice. Outstanding shape all the way through. Take a look at the power mirrors, power windows, and memory seat. Look at that. Control for the rear power door. Bose system on this one. Super nice. Take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in amazing condition. Super clean. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Really an outstanding condition all the way through. Full set of rubber floor mats. Very nice. All right, we're taking a look at the front passenger side door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition. Looks outstanding. Beautiful shape throughout. Very nice condition. Take a look at the handle. Power locks. Power window controller. Very nice. Power seat on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Leather interior. It's got the perforated in the center with the little pinstripe there in red. The little piping in red. Beautiful condition. Full set of floor mats. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Look at that. Very nice condition all the way through. Take a look at the driver's side rear door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Really amazing shape. Very nice condition. Take a look at the rear seats. Rear seats are in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Full set of floor mats all the way around. Take a look at the AC vents here in the rear. USBs and a power plug. Look at that. Amazing. Beautiful condition. All right, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Really outstanding shape. Look at the armrest on this one. Beautiful condition. Power window controllers. Rear seats are heated. Nice extra on that one. Taking a look at the rear seats on this side. Beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Full set of floor mats. Take a look at the back of the seats. They look amazing. Super clean throughout. Very nice condition. Let's take a real quick look at the headliner on this one. Headliner's in beautiful shape, clean throughout. Look at that. Really amazing condition. Super nice. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2025 Chevrolet Blazer RS package. Take a look at the key fob, lock, unlock, remote start, power hatch, and panic. I'm gonna set the key down right here, the cup holder. It's got a really nice push button start here. We're gonna press the brake, push the button to start it. Super nice. Starts up perfect. AC's nice and cold. Amazing. All right, so let's take a look at the mileage on this one. Amazing. This one has 18,998 miles. Okay. RPMs, temperature gauge, miles per hour. It's got the compass there built in, the volts, also the temperature, and fuel. So nice. Okay, so on this here, it has a little information center here. We can scan through it. Right now it's on navigation, so we could click down like that to the side here. We could put it on phone, so if a phone was paired, you would see it there. Click back down again. These are settings in case you want to change the options on it or whatever here. Okay, so let's go back again. We're going to go all the way up here. This is the music one here. Shows you what's on the audio. Right now there's no device found, so if it was on the radio station, it'll show you the radio station. We'll go back again. The next one up here, information. So you got miles per hour, trip computers, fuel range, instant fuel economy, oil life, tire pressure sensors, air life filter, timer, and miles per hour. Super nice. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and use these buttons here to flick through that. Okay, this is to hang up your calls, speak your commands. Over here on this side, we have the collision detection distance adjustable. So you can adjust it to 3 or to 1. Further away is better. That way it stops or whatever, it lets you know first. Cruise controls right here. Heated steering wheel, super nice. All right, we'll take a look here. Controls for the automatic lights, parking brake release, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, memory seat for the driver. Super nice. Leather wrapped steering wheel. So nice, with the same stitching as the seats, the red stitching on this here. Matches the little red accents on the dash. Super nice. Look at this. You have your front and rear wiper controllers, turn signal controllers here, and your highlights. Super nice. Look at that. All right, let's take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in amazing condition. Looks beautiful throughout. Look at that. Really outstanding shape. Really beautiful condition all the way through. Looks amazing. All right, let's take a look at the air conditioning controls. Right now I have my cool seat on right now. Air conditioned seats for the driver and passenger in the front. Heated seats for the driver and passenger in the front. 3 settings. Check this one out here also. All right. Then you have your controls here for the AC. This car is really cool because when you turn this dial here, it adjusts the temperature. Look at that. And it shows it up here on top also. When you move this dial, it shows you the temperature you're setting it at. And this one's for the passenger. Super nice. Also shows it on top here. Fan controller here in the center. We'll bring it down a little bit if you guys can hear me clearly. Front and rear defrost. The vents. You can sync everything together. AC button, refresh air, the temperature on the passenger side and the driver's side. Taking a look at automatic transmission. This RS package has a little RS label there. Super nice. Look at that. Beautiful cup holders there. Parking assist in the rear. Keep lane assist right there. This is normal mode, snow mode, and sport mode. So we're going to show you how it works here. So if you turn it to the right, it goes to snow mode Snow mode. Turn it again. Goes to sport mode. Super nice. All right. This one's really nice. It has a wireless charger for your phone. You can set your phone down here and it'll charge for you wirelessly as long as you have that wireless charging feature in your phone. Automatically dimming mirror. Super nice. Up above here, your sunglass holder. You have your courtesy lights here. LEDs. Passenger side airbag light. In case you have a small child or something. Usually I think it's under 70 pounds, it doesn't turn on. But there, it lets you know if it turned on or not. OnStar buttons. Super nice. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Take a look at the armrest on this. Beautiful condition. A lot of space down here in the bottom. You've got your little SD card there. You can put in your USBs and a power plug here. You can set your phone in there to charge or whatever, or you have a second phone because you're charging your other phone over here. Really nice. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the. Let's go take a look at the home page here. So right now we have it on. Let's see. Go ahead and bring down the volume all the way. I'm going to put it on something here so you guys can see what we're talking about. Go back here again. Boom, audio. We're going to go ahead and look for more. Put it on FM. There it is. And right now it's on a radio station there. So now if we go to home, it shows you the radio station on this side. Right there. Shows you the radio station. If they have like information or whatever, it'll come out there in the screen. Not all radio stations show what they're playing, but some of them do. So we'll just leave it on there like that. Okay, and then on this side here, you can see your navigation screen. So you can set this up if you want. You can change whatever shows up, but regardless, it's there. Okay, so this is your audio, your phone, your nav, hotspot for Wi-Fi, users. So let's go into each one. So audio, we went in, and then inside there, we can select the source. We found our source, we selected FM. Okay, great. Go back again. Phone settings. If your phone's paired, you'll be able to see it there on the list. Nothing's paired now. Navigation. There you go. Go back again. Hotspot, Wi-Fi. There it is. Back again. Users. If you want to set up users, that way it remembers your radio stations, all your good stuff there. You can set that up. Settings for the system. Settings for the apps. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You can use that. It's got the climate settings also, the XM settings. Vehicle settings. As rear seat reminder, that's great. You have a small child, let's turn that on. Climate, air quality, collision detection. I like to look at this. So this one has forward collision alert and brake, front pedestrian detection, alert and brake, lane change alert, rear camera with parking symbol, and rear cross traffic alert. Okay, so got all the toys on that one. Go back again here. So Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, we're not going to go into that. Apps, you can download more apps. OnStar service, the climate, you can see it there if you'd like. You can go to it directly instead of using the buttons on the bottom. So that's nice. Go back to home again. XM radio, My Chevrolet. Here on the top, it shows you the locations on right there. And it also shows you the connection to the Wi-Fi, which is right there. All right, so we're all set. That's pretty much it on this one. Beautiful condition all the way through. Really amazing shape. All right, we're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a little bit. Go ahead and stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, we're all set. Take it for a test drive. Here we go. A lot of power. This 6-cylinder power is amazing on this one. It goes really smooth. Such a nice drive. Beautiful display. So nice. Look at that. Drives really nice. Really drives amazing. Center display, look at that. That's a split screen for the navigation, whatever's on the radio. So nice. Feels super quick. All right, next step is we're going to go ahead and we're going to test out our backup camera. Find a little spot here to back up. We'll be all set. Here we go. Okay, put it in reverse. Look at that display there. HD quality, look at that. It's got the line showing you which way you're rolling back. Square it up right there, center. Going straight back now, look at that. Straight back. Fantastic. And you got your parking sensors back there. So it actually shows it up here on the cluster when you're backing up. It shows you what you're going to hit. See that? Isn't that so cool? And then it has the little flash here and it beeps. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. We just concluded our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look at the engine compartment. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at the cargo area in the back. And our 4 tires. We'll be right back. We're going to go ahead and open up the rear hatch here to power hatch. So the controller has lock unlock, remote start, power hatch, and panic. I'm going to press the button twice. Look it up. Opens perfect. Really nice. This vehicle has a full set of floor mats with cargo. Mats back here, all weather. Super nice. Look at that. Really amazing condition. A little bit of storage here on both sides. Super nice. Power plug back here if you want to tailgate. When you pull these things here on the sides, the seats fold forward. Super nice. Very nice condition. All right, let's go ahead and take a look here on the bottom. Spare tire with all the tools. Super nice condition. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead and close the door. Works perfect. Very nice condition. Amazing. All right, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in amazing condition. Take a look here. Really outstanding shape. Looks brand new. Very nice condition all the way through. Looks beautiful. 6-cylinder power. Bottom of the hood looks amazing. Really beautiful shape all the way through. Emission sticker. Very nice. Beautiful condition. All right, we'll take a look at the front tire here on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing condition. Looks beautiful. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Michelin tires all the way around. Looks beautiful. Look at that. Really outstanding condition. All right, we'll take a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing condition. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Outstanding shape. All right, we'll take a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side. Amazing condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Not a mark on it. Looks beautiful. Outstanding condition. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire here. Front tire is in great condition. Good amount of tread on there. Looks amazing. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice. Michelin tires all the way around. Looks amazing. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2025 Blazer RS package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, inside and out, really outstanding shape. You guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. Great used auto sales.com. Thanks for watching.